na ka jingbam shngaiñ ka shong ka sa hajala Manipur hadin ka jingsha thang ki ying ki sam ki ying mani ha ka jala Manipur na ka jing ki umsnam badangshan ha padeng ka jaidbynriew kuki ban meitei ki jaidbynriew riulom rit pai ki bratip kum ki gangte kilawan phet sa Shillong ha ka janmiet ka khadar tarik jumang arjar pulai bat menta ki don ha ka relief kam ha ka thain Madanriting ki jaidbynriew Gangte basa ha Madanriting kilapan khre lai tili ki relief kam na ka banta kumba shispa san phongut ye gini ki jaidbynriew ki babun na ki hi ki dei ki blakam teman kerta kentup ki kenthei bat senrang lem ki khulung kana laong ba ki samla pat jong ki ni ki jaidbynriew ki don halasnong ha Manipur ban yakun persya ya ka jingwan thambor ki jaidbynriew meitei
nakaliang jongi leka KSO Cookie Student Organization bat ka Cookie MP
tiado hangi po Shillong kendam ka ji felang mak ni ki meitei panora ka shongsain hangi po Meghalaya
Meghalaya te la sukhi te there was an incident kumba ngil ate phi hanong release ka to de unde ba ki ba sa hane de ki khanna bawan pule hane ka sa hostel kata don ki bawan ka flight don ki bawan ka kali te de kini basha persecute ha infal ki meite ki kayeng jong ki la sha thang ki kali ki tia sha to te khamtab le kayeng mane rukum yu ki video rukum yu ki khubor ningkong imat ki bin ayu ya kam yang mane ki room ki thang te philaban pe ki ha ki social media hai philaban yu ba kumno ki kren si ki kren ben ha yang mane jong te
okay te ngut thai ni ki bewa
te ningkong apa ban pensyai ba ki cookie ka deka umbrella kerteng jongki tribe te bun ki ba don hapo ka subgroup jongka cookie don Gangte don ki bai phe don ki mar kumta ter te kumni shane jongi ba pe ni de ki Gangte tingila pe tang ki Gangte ring ya kren ba ki we ki para jaitro te ki we ki yara phandrongi ni yara phane te katnong haduk minta hane kiwan hangi haki Gangte la poi kumba san phoi te rukum yok bote namar hai hashnong lading im shngaiñ te shuya phet nungwer hane shtai
tu ba pro ni ki ramba ki me ki pet shisha Shillong
ningkong kilate phi nashnong ba hajing shate pelong ko beba lada ki priu hi ki kim shong shngaiñ shno ki shuya phet da poi shno kim sngo era ke kumta bale Shillong namar ka Shillong namar ki bhaying jongi kumnga bari basa ne Shillong Madanriting te kini ki wan shangi ke ban shelter ban panjing era te ki poi shno
kumbakan ngut ke dan bawat nathina jilla Manipur
kata ti ba niru ngim patron kata ka official estimate tang hadu minta te hajongi la poi sanpho hakiwe ki group ngami okho batang ba hakiro ki la poi kata he ne khambon bani niru ek bul ki bani na infal ki la mi do kila don ki badan hakiam army camp khamtam le army camp ki dangdon they are still waiting for evacuation
ke nagalang kendam se kuno ga shngaiñ protection nagalang ki force inta
ki central force ki yarab ba dek state force ba long ba le persha man yang
ate ha katno sni trai ki ya sa shne
kata te ngamla ban ong tang ba ki dala akham jai shashnong lede kin le phai no
te ashwa ba kinwan shne la don em ka nagaling ju pise la pintem em shaka dal basnong na ne shiknong lemang shne
kalong kumne namar ngiru ngiyo khobor thut de ningkong ngi bazla sa hane ngia lum ki student body hane ngia lum dambak langa de san Henry tarik miet ngia lum te ngi lekin te ngi la rai ban tho shi shas chief minister ban pha memorandum ya EDC is khasir sru te kumtai hadin asni ngilale kundu ye chief minister philayo hiba I nakaliang chikustaru ila shirba in yarab ba I chikustaru ila ong hiba in tip shaka darbashnong de tanghata ila nishuya kut tanghata.
Situation is as by today it's going worse. Even though the press haven't been updated with us lately, inside the Imphal there has been a lot of problems, and there are a lot of suffering, and there has been people being killed with the insurgents against each other. From afar we have heard that the situation is getting much worse.
So what's make you to come to Shillong?
Our way to our home district Suchanpur, the road was blocked and there was violence, so we couldn't get there directly. So we came around Guwahati, and then from Guwahati to Shillong, and then to Shillong to Aizawl, and then from Aizawl to our home district Suchanpur.
So when are you planning to go back?
After a few weeks, according to the situation, we're going to see.
This morning they escorted us from the CRPF camp to airport. Then from airport we came here.
But what makes you to come to Shillong?
We don't feel safe anymore there. That's why we just came.
So how many days you're going to stay here in Shillong?
We don't know yet. If the situation gets better, then we may go back. But if it doesn't get better, then we might stay here for long.
You're from which district?
Imphal district.
Imphal district.
Yes.
So how do you feel when you reach in Shillong?
Well, first of all, I feel safe. I'm safe.
Can you tell us the difference there, here? How do you feel?
Well, I don't know how to say it.
During that incident took place, how do you feel?
Yeah, we were very scared, but we were protected by MR police, Manipur police.